Hello from the Kimpton Maa-Lai Bangkok hotel. I want to give you a quick tour of my Maa-Lai suite, room 1412 on the 14th floor. The hotel opened in October 2021 during the pandemic, so it was really only properly launched shortly before my visit, which is in September 2022. And it's also in the middle, this video, of a really huge, powerful storm. So we might get a flash of lightning or some thunder if we're lucky. It's very dramatic. Anyway, here is the guest toilet. One weird thing they do here is put towels over the toilet itself. I'm not really sure why that is. I'm going to try and find out. There doesn't seem to be a towel rail, but otherwise it's a nice space. Toiletries throughout the suite are by this brand Hearn. It's a Thai brand and they've been custom made for the property, this particular blend. So here's the main living area. You get your dining space here for 4. Minibar is in the cabinet there. Balcony. This suite is about 87 square meters, by the way. Here's the living area. I've already started on the welcome amenities. There were lots of chocolates under that glass cover. You can get a sense of the storm out there. The view is actually really good. Ordinarily, it was clear about half an hour ago. There seems to be some type of stadium, big park, lots of interesting skyscrapers. Big entertainment unit here. There's a speaker system for the suite as well. It's a very colorful property, youthful and fun. Check-in was really seamless. The staff were all really nice. My bags were brought up in a couple of minutes, so all really impressive on that score. Here is the walk-in wardrobe, yoga mat on standby, which I won't be using. They've got these great robes here, very, very colorful. I'm sure they sell a lot of them. Here is the bathroom, really nice size, totally pristine. Dual units again. Got your Dyson hairdryer there. Here is the shower. You can just see in the corner there the toiletries, again by the same brand, Narn. Very, very nice. Decadent big tub, another robe on standby. Toilet in here again with the towel on top of it. Not sure what that's about. And then into the bedroom itself. Spacious, really comfortable. I like the decor. And then again, ordinarily, if you're in the corner suite, high up on the 14th floor like we are here or above, you would have a great view. This building, this interesting undulating building right beside us, is the Kimpton Hotel. I really like it architecturally. You can see people gallivanting in the pool there, even with the weather like this. And there's another tier of skyscrapers just beyond, completely shrouded in cloud right now, but nice to look at otherwise. So, great suite, really good size. Service has been really good so far. Property seems fun. And first impressions are good.